Hi everybody, I'm Delina. I'm a celebrity makeup artist and I live in New York City. I'm excited to show you how to use Kiss Falscara today, so let's get into it. The first step is to apply bond to your natural lashes. A little goes a long way. The second step is to use the applicator and to pick up a wisp from the tray. We're gonna start with the long and we're gonna place it at the end of the lash. And then we're gonna do 2 mediums and a short. Make sure to place the lashes on the actual natural lash versus the skin underneath your lashes. And that's it. The third step is the seal. It's on the other side of the bond. And I'm gonna take this and apply it directly to the lashes. This is gonna help seal everything in and also get rid of any stickiness from the bond. So this is the final look, and this is me in Falscara.